Hey guys, let's see today how to fix WhatsApp microphone not working in iPhone on the latest iOS version, because many iPhone users are reporting that WhatsApp microphone is not working on their iPhone. So don't worry guys, I will show you in this video so that you can leverage and fix it from your side. Yeah, so guys, it's very simple. Just you perform 2 to 3 methods and after that your issue will be resolved. So let's get started, and the first step is to go to settings. Yeah, just tap on it and find out the privacy and security. Yeah, so the privacy and security. Yeah, so here you go, just tap on it, and after that guys, just try to find microphone. Yeah, here you go, just tap on it, and guys, please make sure that WhatsApp access permission must be turned on. So if it is, in your case, if it is turned off, just go and tap to turn on, and after that just go and check. If this has not worked, then move on to the second method. Just go to the setting page again. So just go to the setting page again and find out WhatsApp. It will be appear at the bottom. So just go to bottom. Yeah, and you can see over here, just tap on it, and please make sure the guys, microphone. So guys, please make sure that microphone permission is turned on. If it is turned off in your case, just tap to turn on and just check. If this also does not work, then move on to the third method, and this time please go and check that you don't have any screen restrictions. So if I say any screen restriction, that means, so to check the screen time any restriction, just go to settings page again, and guys, from here just try to find screen time. Here you go, just tap on it, and after that find out content and privacy restrictions. So just come slightly down and you can see over here. Yeah, here you go, just tap on it, and guys, please make sure that the content and privacy restriction must be turned on, and after that just try to find microphone. So yeah, here you go, just tap on it, and guys, please make sure that WhatsApp permission must be turned on. After that guys, just go and check. If it still has not worked, then finally you need to go to the settings page again. Yeah, and after that just try to find general, and from general just come down and just try to find transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on it, and now just tap on reset, and from here just go for reset all settings, and once you pass your passcode, just go for reset all settings guys. Yeah, so once it is completed, go and try again and your issue will be resolved. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.